structures that are accessible to heavy trucks. Picture 1 on the left, over rooftop parking decks, trucks. Scenario: the power line conductor passes over a roof or deck used that for tractor access for a parking like loading dock or service area. Clearance B. The vertical distance labeled B is the required minimum separation measurement. It is measured from the lowest point of the conductor to the surface of the roof decks. Note, because trucks are much taller than cars, the required clearance B here is significantly greater than the clearance needed for a car-only areas. Picture 2 or in the right, over ramps trucks. Scenario: the power line conductor passes over a ramps accessible to the trucks. Clearance B. The vertical distance B is measured from the lowest points of the conductor to the surface of the ramp. Purpose: this increased clearance prevents trucks, especially those with high cargo or elevated components, from the coming into contact with the power line. In short, the diagrams show the maximum safe vertical distance B that power lines must maintain with passing over areas like loading docks, ramps, and decks that are accessible to trucks, requiring the largest clearance value to ensure safety against contact with tall vehicles. Clearance for structures requiring maintenance. These diagrams illustrate the required clearance between power lines and rigid structures like chimneys and billboards, especially emphasizing areas that are accessed by people for maintenance or work. Picture 1 or left side, chimneys and small sign. Scenario: show power lines running near a chimneys and a small road sign, both of which have climbing steps indicating they are regularly accessed by workers. Key point: the clearance of the conductor must be maintained from the points where a person is expected to stand or climb, like the top of the sign or the area near the chimney cap. The diagram shows the horizontal and or vertical clearance needed to protect workers. Picture 2 or in the right side is billboard. Scenario: show the large billboard structure with power lines running and adjacent to it. The key point: the clearance is specifically shown from the climbing step and the platform where the maintenance personnel stand to the work on the billboard. The clearance must be sufficient to prevent workers from reaching the conductors while the platform or climbing the steps. In short, the diagrams specify the necessary safe clearance between power lines and contractors, like chimney and billboard, that require periodic human access via climbing or step platforms for maintenance, ensuring the safety of the workers. Horizontal clearance conductor. These diagrams illustrate the required horizontal clearance between power line, conductor, and various structures, particularly those involving accessible areas or movable objects. Picture 1 left, balconies and flagpoles. Scenario: a power line conductor runs past a building with balcony and a flagpole, flag banner, and on the roof. The clearance A. This represents the required horizontal distance from the conductor to the building or any temporary objects that might swing or held from the building. K point clearance must be maintained not just to the structure but also to the end of any movable objects like a flag or banner or anything a person on the balcony could hold out. Picture 2 or right side elevated tanks. Scenario: the power line conductor runs past an elevated tank structure with a climbing step platform. Clearance A. This the required horizontal distance from the conductor to the accessible platforms or climbing steps of the tank support structures. The key point: this clearance is crucial for worker safety when performing maintenance on the tank or in support, ensuring they cannot easily reach the power line. Horizontal clearance to accessible structures. These pictures illustrate the required horizontal clearance between power line conductors and various structures, specifically focusing on proportion of those structures that are readily accessible to pedestrians. Picture 1 or left side. Small structures. Scenario shows a power line running near a chimney, a small sign, and a building. The key point: the diagram emphasizes the horizontal clearance that must be maintained from accessible points, such as the ground level, windows, or the wall of the building, and also from smaller structures like chimney and the sign. This ensures that someone walking or standing near the structures maintain a safe distance from the conductor. Picture 2 on the right side, large structures. Scenarios show the power line running between a large billboard and multi-story building with projections like railing or TV antenna. Key point: the clearance is shown horizontally from the main body to the billboard and from the building accessible section, like windows and balconies, implied by railing, as well as from projection like TV antenna. In short, the diagram shows the necessary minimum safe horizontal distance that power lines must maintain from structures or parts of the structures like windows, wall, and main body of billboard that easily accessible to the public pedestrian to prevent accidental contact. Horizontal clearance to inaccessible structures. These pictures illustrate the required horizontal clearance between power line conductor and various structures, specifically focusing on proportion of those structures that are not readily accessible to pedestrians. Picture 1 or left, flagpole or banner. The scenario: a power line conductor runs near a building with a flagpole, flag, or banner attached. The clearance A. This represents the required horizontal distance from the conductor to the building or the end of the flagpole or banner. The key point: since the conductor runs past a, a portion of the building that is generally not accessible to pedestrians, like upper floors without a balcony. The required horizontal clearance A might be slightly smaller compared to the areas with balconies, but it still must account for the reach of the flag or banner. Picture 2 or right, elevated tanks. The scenario: power line conductor runs near an elevated tank structure. The clearance A. This is the required horizontal distance from the conductor to the body of the tanks or its support structure. The key point, since the body of the tanks had its lower support structures, are typically not readily accessible to pedestrians. The required horizontal clearance A is intended to prevent accidental contact from the objects being used around the base or from the static tank structure itself. In short, the diagram shows the necessary minimum safe horizontal distance A that power lines must maintain from the adjacent structures or objects like tanks and upper story window projections that are not intended for routine pedestrian access, which may allow the reduced clearance values compared to accessible areas. Vertical clearance over a catwalk. This picture illustrates the required vertical clearance between a power line conductor and a catwalk or pedestrian bridge to connecting two buildings. The scenario: a power line conductor passes over a catwalk which is an area readily accessible to pedestrians. Clearance C. The vertical distance labeled C is the required minimum separation measurement. This distance is measured from the lowest point